guys, welcome back to my channel and it's nice to be back. This is Christmas day out with Aya Maris. Christmas is already planned. We are going to ski Dubai. Yun na nga. So bago tayo pumasok sa loob, we have to claim all our jacket, boot, shoes for the ski because it's too cold inside. Kaya nakapila na kami.
Going to the ski. My gosh. Look. Kiki, come here. Why there is snow here? Oh my god, there is snow. Where is Thea? Ate, come here.
almost 4 p.m. So, halos 2 hours and a half lang kami sa loob dahil ang lamig. Hindi na kayanan ni Thea. Malamig masyado. Pagkatapos ng Sea Dubai Global Village sila naman. Yun na nga, natapos kami sa Sea Dubai. Kaya sila sa Global Village. Again, another walking. The day is too much tiring. Walking. Hi, Kinky! Are you tired already? Ano? No! Sila, uwi na kami. Galing Global. Good night, back to Sharjah. Oh my God, someone is sleeping. Oh God, okay, we close the light. Wait, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. That's our Christmas day out with Thea Maurice and King Matthews. Till my next video. See you soon.